everyone, today I am making a birthday card for my lovely Maasi. My Maasi lives in India and I live in Oman. We are far away, but I love her very much. I am making this card with lots of love. I hope my Maasi likes it and smiles when she sees it. I am using colorful papers, markers, and cute decorations. Now I am writing happy birthday and adding hearts and flowers. Happy birthday, my dear Maasi. I wish you good health, happiness, and many beautiful days. I miss you so much. I hope we meet soon. Thank you for always loving me. I love you, Maasi.